IGCSE Cambridge 0580, this video is for you. I'm going to take you through the main concept that you really need to prepare. This is a prediction, concept prediction of the concept that you really need to prepare as far as that particular exam is concerned. If you are new to Proplan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that in time I'm going to do further tutorials, you'll be notified. All right, let's dive in so that we can be able to get started. And if you would like to download this paper, you work it out so that you can be able to check the solution of that I'm posting in the, you'll find the link in the description. Then feel free to go download the paper, work it out, time yourself so that you can be able to see how many marks will you be able to get. So what you need to remember here is that this paper is 130 marks, paper 4, and there are different concepts that you need to prepare as far as this exam. Concept number 1 is the use of sine rule and cosine rule to find missing angles and to find missing sides. So that area is very, very prime to be tested by the examiners of these coming exams. You need also to be prepared to find area of triangles. For instance, area of a triangle using a half AB sine theta, a half AB sine theta, yes, or a half base times height, depending on the value or the kind of information that is provided in the question. Another area that you really need to prepare is to work out questions to do with interest, compound interest, simple interest, and also percentages, which can be asked in different formats in different ways. Compound interest can be asked there, and also don't forget to percentage increase, another area that is very, very critical and that you really need to prepare. You need to be very keen to prepare so that whenever that particular exam is going to be tested, you will be in a position to answer questions from there. So moving on into this, we can be able to see question to do with Venn diagrams, how to find intersection, how to find complement, how to find union, and all that. Probability even can be asked from this Venn diagram. So we are going to have a discussion on this. You can check a link in the description here so that you can be able to access cumulative frequency curves, finding interquartile range, finding the median from these particular graphs. Of course, to find the median, you take a half of the cumulative frequency, you come and read down here. I'm going to take you through, check the link in the description, how we solve these questions. And what do you think? Do you think these questions will be tested? Under this area also, they may ask you to draw a cumulative frequency curve where they'll give you data so that you can be able to draw it. When it's drawn, you can be able to be asked questions. And if they ask you to draw, you can go ahead and do that. Question to do with mean when you are given group data, also another area that you need to be careful with, because those areas will appear in this coming exam. Don't forget about histograms. Histogram, they may bring a histogram or they may bring a frequency cumulative curve. Moving further, we need also to look at surface area, volume of a cone, another area that is very, very prime, volume of a sphere, volume of a cube, or surface area of a cube. So that you be in a safe side, you need to prepare for those areas. What about volume of a prism? Another area that you really need to look at. You can also see, I've also tried to work out for prisms, you can be asked about volume of prism, surface area, or you can be asked angle between a line and a plane, or angle between a line and a line. Another area that is very, very, very important. Don't forget to look at the density. Also is an area that examiners need to pass by. Density and pressure. inverse function, composite function, anything to do with composite function is a sure bet that that particular concept will be tested. That's why I said this is a concept paper. Then we have question to do with position vectors, vectors, modulus of column vectors, can be given question on vectors, you can be given similarity question here. So, and you can see here also you can be asked to draw a histogram, and which means that it's very, very important for you to ensure that you prepare on the concept that I've tried to highlight here. And area of a sector and area of triangle, also area of shaded regions, are quite prime. Simplifying fractions, indices are areas to really not to overlook. If we are talking about making subject of formulas, another area that you have really to look at. Simplifying or solving quadratic, factorization, okay. Simplifying, solving, I've already mentioned that. So if you're new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that when I'll be uploading more tutorials, you'll be notified. For the candidates of this coming exam, May June 2026, all the best, guys. And if you are new here, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to do more tutorials, you'll be notified. See you in the next tutorial.